So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a bookmark. So we are going to first start with a slip knot. So make an X, get the first one on the middle finger, pull it. So this is a slip knot. Now we are going to chain 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now when we have 10 chains, what we are going to do is we are going to find the fifth one, the fifth stitch, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this one in my case, and we are going to crochet 3 double crochets in this stitch. So yarn over, insert in the fifth stitch, pull this out, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2, and we are going to make 2 more in the same stitch, which is this one. Yarn over, insert, pull out, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Third one, so now that we have 3 double crochets, what we are going to do is we are going to chain 2, okay, to make a space here, and then we are going to make 3 more double crochets in the same space here. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, and then again pull through 2, and 2 more, 2, now once we're done with this, we are going to attach it to the chain that we had made earlier. So the first stitch of the chain, we are going to slip stitch into it, insert, yarn over, pull through. Okay, so this is our first row. This is how it should look like. Now we are going to make a second row. So how we're going to do it, that is chain 3 from here. Okay, now you have to flip your work in such a way that this is the front part, we are facing the back part. This is the front part. I'm going to flip it like this. Okay, so now you're going to crochet in the back part. So we are again going to follow the same thing, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets again. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, okay, so that's one, second double crochet, and the third double crochet. Okay. Now again, just like in the previous row, we are going to chain 2 here, and yarn over, insert, pass through 2, and pass through 2 more loops. Again, yarn over, insert, pull through 2, pull through 2. So these are 2, 1 more. And now to end the row, we are going to make a double crochet in this one, in the chain of the second row, to which here. Okay, see this stitch here to attach it to the base. So this is the one into the chain. Again, for the third row, we are going to chain 3, flip. Okay, so once I flipped it, we're going to again make the next row. So yarn over, insert, make a double crochet. We're going to make 3 double crochets like this. Now chain 2 again, then make 3 double crochets again. Okay, now again, like the previous one, we are going to attach it to the previous row. So we are going to take this chain nearest to this double crochet here and make a double crochet in that chain. So I am going to make 3 more such rows. Then I will need to again towards after making 3 rows. After you have made a considerable amount of rows of your choice, then what we are going to do is I'm going to show you how to close this. Okay, so now we are going to chain 5, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to flip this again and make a single crochet here. Again, I'm going to chain 5, and make a slip stitch here. Okay, so now we have the base of the bookmark. We are just going to refine it more. So what we are going to do is in all of the stitches, or sorry, all of the chains and the double crochet here. So in double crochet and around double crochet, we are going to make 3 single crochet, and since there are 3 chains here, we are going to make single crochet in all of those chains. So this, for the first one, we already have a slip stitch here, so we are going to single crochet 2 more around this. Okay, so that's 3. Now 3 around here in all of the spaces that are joining 2 rows, right? So here, 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 everywhere we are going to make single crochets, and towards the end for these rows here, this one, and this one and this one, we are going to make 5 single crochets each. So one way of not weaving in the ends is that you just try to incorporate the stitch as in the end within the stitch, similar to how we do it in magic ring. In the same way, you're going to incorporate this loose end with the next stitches that you're going to make. I'm going to give you an example here. So instead of weaving this end in later on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to weave it in right now. So so I have to make 5 here, right? So I'm just going to try to keep this between the stitches so that I don't have to weave this in later. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this one is now, you see, this is weaved into the work. I'm going to carry this over to this chain as well, where we are going to make 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now this is weaved in, we can cut this anytime. Now again, we are back at the other side of the bookmark. So we are going to again do 3, 3, 3 each. Now again, we are at the end of the second side as well. So we are left with 5 chain spaces. So we are going to make 5 single crochets in each. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then 5 more here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now to close this bookmark, what we need to do is just slip stitch into the first single crochet here. So this is the first one. We're going to insert, yarn over, pull through the loop like this. That's a slip stitch. We're going to chain 1 and take a yarn out with the hook, extend it, and cut it like this. Okay, so that is our bookmark. You can use it like this itself. Just remember to weave in the ends, or just weave it in the process how I did. I'm going to cut this since we weaved it already, and I'll have to weave this one in. But we can make a border and also add in a tassel. So I'll show you how to make a border and how to make a tassel and add that.